Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You're starting inside Excel, so open the app now and go straight to File. Once in Backstage, make sure to scan the left column for Account or Help sections. This is where version info lives. If you see Account, click it first. That's the fastest path for modern copies. If you don't see Account, look for Help or About in older layouts. This first step gets you to the screen that shows product name and initial version cues. Once done, click About Excel from Account to open the dialog with exact version, build number, and bitness. For Excel 2010 or 2007, use File then Help to view the version text near the top right. Make sure to read both the product name and the 4-part build number. Those tell you release and update level. Also confirm whether it's Office 365 subscription versus a one-time. To finish, copy the exact version string, build number, and whether Excel is 32-bit or 64-bit. These details matter when troubleshooting add-ins or updates. If File or Account isn't available, press Alt+F to open Backstage or open Excel's executable properties in Program Files and view details. If Excel won't open at all, check Control Panel Programs or use Office Repair. Troubleshooting tip: if the About dialog is blank, run Excel in safe mode, and then check About again to isolate add-in conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.